I'm going to show you a 4-step process so that you can make songs like your favorite artists inside of Suno AI. And by the end of this video, you're gonna not be confused no more. So the first step of this process is the genre plus the era. So for example, let's go for a Nirvana song. And the genre for a Nirvana would probably be like rock and grunge. But we need to add the era. So we're gonna do 90s rock, 90s grunge. If you're not sure which genre your artist is in, there's a few different things you can do. One, you can just go to the Suno GPT, which you can try free in the link in the description, and just type Nirvana song, and it will give you a prompt with all 4 steps of this process done for you. This said rock, grunge, 90s, Seattle grunge. I would not have thought to do that, so let's add that as well. And if you don't want to use this amazing website, you can just look up what genre is Nirvana. Primarily defined as grunge, alternative rock, and punk rock. Now we need to look at the mood of the entire song. And the mood also includes the tempo or BPM. Let's say we want to do something like heart-shaped box. Let's look up what is the BPM of heart-shaped box. All right, we got 100 beats per minute. 100 BPM. Boom shakalaka. And when I think of Nirvana, especially heart-shaped box, I'm thinking it's kind of like it's dark, so we can actually just put dark, melancholic, angsty, even a little dirty and dusty, raw. I think those are good words. You've got the moods, the vibe, and the tempo, and now we just need the instrumentation. Like, what are the actual instruments used in this song? As we know, Nirvana, it was just a 3-piece band, and the only 3 instruments that are really in there is guitar, drums, and bass. And there was more like clean guitar in the verses, so we'll say slightly distorted clean guitar in verses, fuzzy electric distorted guitar in chorus, rock drum kit, electric bass, and I think that'll work for the instruments. And for vocals, we need to describe the emotion, we need to describe the actual singing techniques, and the arrangement. Raspy male vocalist, quiet verses, loud choruses, flat melodic phrasing, because you know he kind of sings the same melody again and again. Raw emotional delivery, sung in chest voice. And then we can do a song about a box that is shaped like a liver instead of a heart. We're going for liver shaped box instead of heart shaped box. And that's pretty much the full system. Let's give her a listen. But if you had the Suno GPT, you could just type in Nirvana song like heart-shaped box, and then you could copy it and just paste it in. Can you call on someone else? And if there's anything else you want to know about Suno AI, let me know down in the comments, or I'm going to tell my Italian wife about your Thai problem.